The software has a built-in alignment toolbar to allow for more precise positioning of objects to your label, as well as aligning objects to each other. To align an object to your label, firstly click the object, and then under the Home tab, use the alignment toolbar above. So we have left, center, and right, as well as top, vertical center, and bottom. To align objects to each other, firstly select the object that you wish to align all other objects to. Once complete, then keep your finger on Shift and select any other object required. And again, under the Home tab, use the alignment toolbar as required. The toolbar also has two other alignment objects. One is distribute horizontally and the other distribute vertically. Again, by clicking these with multiple objects selected, the software will work out the distance between the first and the last object and space them out as equally as possible.